Take a ride in the 2012 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, body color door handles, front wheel drive, body color bumpers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, carpeted front rear floor mats. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.